Welcome back to our car show. My name is Sam. We're towing the RX7 behind us right now. We loaded the car up this morning and got on the road. We are heading to Willow Springs Raceway for the second time taking this car ever to the track. First time, broken axle and a tire. We fixed all that. We're all ready to go. And now we're back for another test and tune. So we're planning on getting there by like 11-ish and hopefully have, you know, a good 6 or 7 sessions. Holy shit, that was a fucking pothole. Oh my God.
That was a rough one.
Oh shit.
Right now we're at Willow Springs, baby, and we got here, and we had a little mishap. We spilled a little gasoline on the way over, but hey, no problem now. We're setting up an app on our phone because this time we want to have more accurate track times. So we're trying to figure out a good place to mount the phone. So do you think down here?
I think down there is fine.
Is that too low?
Yeah, let's do it. So
we got this little plate.
you just start it slow and then it'll cinch real quick. Faster. There you go.
And damn, that's pretty nice.
Yeah,
that's the highest piece of technology in this car. So Sam earlier, he checked the tire pressure with the new tire pressure gauge we have. We set all the tires to 25 because last time we came out here, we didn't check anything on our tires last time.
I checked them before we left, but I didn't check them.
So basically we knew there was air in them, but we didn't know like what rate, and we also brought a temperature gauge. So
basically
today,
what we're gonna do, and you'll see us do this later, but what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take the car out after the first go around. We're gonna check the temperatures. First you check the middle, and then you check the sides of the tire. And if like the sides are more than the middle, then you have too little pressure. If the middle's too much more higher than the sides, you have too much pressure.
Right.
And so we just adjust from there. And take it out again, measure again, change again.
If you guys remember when we got the car, we got brand new tires for it, so we don't really know what.
We have one more fresh tire now.
And we have another fresh tire. Hey, okay. We basically don't know what to run these at. So today we'll do some tests on that while we're trying to get these better lap times. Hell yeah. Do you want me to put any gas in? Do you want?
I think we have gas in it.
Okay. Yeah, get in there.
I mean, we filled that brake before you went out and then you wrecked it.
I thought we weren't going to talk about that.
That's my last time. Last time. I got you.
How you feel?
It's okay.
Yeah, honestly.
It's a little nerve-wracking.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh, he's sending it. He's full throttle in that. He's committing.
Yeah, he is. He also trusts the car's fishtail more than I do. He can drift, you know. I'm still working on that. Although it's interesting, like when you start learning about like steering the car with the gas or the brake or the clutch and adjusting weight and putting shit on different tires, and it's good shit to know. Like, oh! He just went sideways. Coming in. He did go sideways there, so let's make sure everything's all right.
Yeah, he's probably gonna talk about that.
Holy shit. Did you guys see that?
Sir, if you want to drift, you're gonna have to go to the drift pad.
Yeah, bro, that was wild. This man went sideways.
Look at the third lap.
Sam Burton, on his second time out at Willow Springs, has officially shaved 10 seconds off his lap time. Holy shit.
So what's the official number?
So lap 1, he got a...
Well, that doesn't count because it was out lap.
Lap 1 out lap, he got 2:16, doesn't count. Lap 2, he got 1:50.78. That's pretty good. He's already 8 seconds faster than his last one. And then he got lap 3, 148.8. Was this the one you went sideways?
That's crazy.
No. Okay.
Oh, this car. First of all, we need the lower tire pressures. They're way too high.
Okay.
I was all over the place. You can go so fast around corners. I don't even know. Everything. I'm just like.
What did he say?
You know, I got in the car last time. I was like excited, but this time I'm like, holy shit, that felt fucking crazy. Like that felt insane. I can't even like put it in the words.
148 is a good time.
I promise I can do a lot more. Let's screw with these tires. So they're 106 on the interior, and they're 99 on the exterior. So they're too high. Then we'll go back out. We'll do this again. Holy, I'm like.
Yeah, that was crazy, man. That was definitely an improvement from last time.
Did it look faster?
Yeah, I know it did.
I was like, oh my gosh. Yeah, we can go back out, I think, in 15 minutes.
Nice.
You ready for this? I'm doing my pre-race shit. All right, if you were an Axel, I'd start praying.
Sounds better.
He's doing a lot better, dude. He's doing a lot better.
That was a close one.
It's coming in.
Woo! Woo!
You good?
Yeah, bro, I'm having a good time.
Good.
Bro, do you guys know on that last lap
Oh, you went around here?
when I was trying, did you guys see me look like I was gonna pit for a half of a second?
Did you pull the wheel off? You did?
Wait, what
Bro,
happened?
I went to turn to the left,
Oh,
and when I turned, I guess I like pulled a little because the wheel just came off, and I was like, yeah, it just came off, and I was like, oh,
That's not good.
holy, and I shoved it back on. Yo,
Wow.
how did I do?
Do you want to know? Do you want to take a guess?
Okay, so my last was 2:14.
Yes.
Well, one time I looked down and it said prediction was 158. But I don't know what it just tell me.
Yeah, you did a 158.62.
Oh, let's go! Sub 2 minutes, let's go!
Wait,
Look at that
yeah,
improvement.
I shaved 16 seconds off my time.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, that's not
Yeah,
fucking.
you shaved 10.
That's not fair. Wait, so how much more I have to get? I have to get like what?
You
A
have to get-
140?
No, you have to get it 141.
Yeah. That's not happening.
158. So you're 10 seconds faster than me right now. So
Yeah.
how much time do we have?
We have actually, if we don't want to go out again, we have actually 40 minutes. So
We have 40 minutes to go out again?
until we go out again, or I can go out for the 10 minutes. But
Do you want to go out for
no.
10?
I think we
Okay.
should just eat.
You want to
and
eat
chill.
and chill? Okay.
Let's,
yeah.
and let's go see the cars there.
All right, let's watch that. All right, so right now, Sam is going in for his second round. So far, the statistics are Sam has beaten his time. He's brought it from 158 to a 148. That's a 10-second reduction. I brought my time from a 214 to a 158. That's a 16-second reduction. Now we got to see if Sam the man can shave 6 seconds.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to. I think I set myself up to lose in this whole situation.
Hey, I mean, if you said straight up fastest lap time, you would have won.
Well, we also, yeah, I would have.
Yeah,
but
right.
that's all we did.
Right, and hey, you set it up. I'm not the
I
one
wanted it to be fair.
Right. No, hey, I appreciate it.
Starting.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, what was that?
So I went a 147.26.
So you shaved the second off.
Yes,
Yeah.
you did beat your
Nice.
time. There
Nice.
we go.
A little dizzy.
What was it last time?
I was
90?
going way fucking faster. Okay, so I actually went a 147.9, but the one before that. I didn't even hit my top speed here. I hit that at the corner
curve.
over there.
On the curve?
Damn.
Yeah, so that was like 108.
Hell no, bro. I also wonder if you're losing grip in the rear because we have an emptier tank.
I think I am losing grip in the rear. Honestly, I lost grip in the rear a couple times. I actually scared the almost out of me. I lost it in corner 1. I think I drifted a little bit in corner 1.
You ready?
I'm feeling good, man.
Feeling good?
Like I gotta be real here for a second. So the very first time I ever drove on the sim, my first lap I got a 2:01, and my best lap for that 1 hour of driving I did, first time I ever did it at my crib, I got a 1:58. So that means right now, my second time on the racetrack, I'm as fast as my first time on the sim. Thank you, Tony.
Power on.
Thank you, brother.
Yes,
Good luck.
sir.
Thank you, boys.
Drive safe, please.
Drive safe.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh, I got that on camera. Full send! Yeah!
Yo, you glad you took a piss before you went out?
Woo! How dirty am I?
You're really dirty. Oh, you got dirt. You're dirty.
Yeah.
Dirty.
You think the car's the only thing that got dirt on?
Oh, it's dirt's everywhere.
Oh, damn.
Wait. Stay still. You were doing great.
Oh, I know
Until
exactly
then.
what I did. Like
I know exactly what you're doing too. You're going really wide in that corner.
Yeah, and I knew what I was doing at the end of it too.
You okay though?
You good?
Oh yeah, I'm good. There's just so much dirt in my eyes and mouth. Like once it started happening, I was like, okay, clutch brake.
Yeah.
Like I just clutched brake and I was like, it'll be fine.
So basically what happened was
Well, basically what happened is I shaved like f***ing 7 seconds off my time.
Let's go. Hell yeah.
did a 152.7.
152.
Oh, dude.
Hey,
Okay.
hey!
Dude, let's
Wait, how
go.
many I've shaved 22 seconds off last time.
Yeah.
Oh,
fuck.
No,
214.
Yeah, 214.
Yeah, 22. Yeah. Can I say something?
Yeah.
You brake so f***ing late for that corner.
Yeah.
It's sick,
That's what
bro.
that's what I'm trying. I'm trying to brake late as
That is the
For
worst
corner
corner
one?
to go off of. If you're
Corner
gonna go
one?
off of- Yeah.
Oh, I know, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was my
You almost went off the
It
one.
was my 3rd lap. Yeah, I
Yeah.
almost went off. Yeah,
I could
like,
tell.
Because I'm in 4th.
How did it feel though? Like
It's getting a little like.
slidey.
Yeah.
I think you're just getting faster.
Yeah, I think you're just like getting
Because
faster.
I've been feeling that the entire time since we got here. I'm gonna be completely fucking honest with you. I'm a little worried about going out again and trying to go faster because I think if I go faster, I'm spinning out.
Okay, so let's just be honest. So basically, based on our bet from last time, I just
There's no way. Well,
I
there's
had
no way I can
way
win.
better odds.
Well, yeah, of course you have better odds. No shit.
I had 214 down to 150 what?
152.7.
And
Yeah.
you went from 158 to 148.
147.
147.
Yeah.
So 147 and a
0.2?
152 right now.
0.2, I
So,
think?
so now you're just 5 seconds faster.
5 seconds faster.
I can deal
Boys,
with
I
that.
think we have a
That's
proper
little-
gain today.
Yeah,
I think
we're making progress. That's what I'm saying though. I don't think we have to try to go faster today. I think we just have to keep practicing.
I mean, I'm gonna go out one more time. And try
Yeah,
to
I know,
go
but like.
Oh, he's moving around this corner. Alright, this is it. I think he's gonna put in a fast time for this one.
I think I might have.
Oh.
I think I might have slashed like a half second.
So
Ish.
what was your last best time?
57.2, I think. It says I should say it on there. You go like
7?
47.
47.2.
Yeah.
Your official new best time, my friend, is a 146.52.
Oh shit!
Oh, hell
That's pretty
yeah,
good. So
let's
that's
go.
0.7 off that time,
bro. That's pretty fucking good.
I think other than this corner, which I'm sure I can get better, I'm sure I could shave like a quarter or half second off that right there. I don't think with these tires, I'd be able to shave as much as I wanted to shave off this time.
I literally was standing there and I was like, Tony, he's gonna come in and tell us we need new tires.
No, like 100%. Maybe not slicks, but like definitely the next step up.
Sticky. Yeah, I know what you're saying.
So
but
average
yeah.
speed, I went 109.3.
That's the fastest for the day, right?
No, I went 113 at one point, but then I went 112 lap before. I think I went 100. I'm looking at the lap before this. Like this is lap before, which I think I downshifted on. I hit that. Oh, I was going 112 there. Holy shit! I was going 112 around that corner.
God,
112 at the biggest turn in the racetrack.
What are you going?
We're going the same speed entering, 103.
Okay, but
What's
I'm.
your speed in the middle of it?
112.
What's mine? 88.
Well, there's your seconds right there.
There's 5 seconds right there.
Almost.
So you're 6 seconds ahead of me then. 6.2.
Well, you're gonna go out there and do it. Are you gonna go out there one more time?
I'm gonna go one more time, but I don't know how much I'm gonna like.
You should, because there's no one on this track right now. Take your first out lap out, and go practice your downshift. How was that?
It was good. It was good. So
how'd you feel?
basically, the very first time I went out, right
Yeah.
before turn 3, I just took my brake like literally halfway down the
Yeah.
straight, so I'd have all that time to downshift.
Yeah.
And then the next time I took less time, and then the last lap, I didn't get to actually finish it because I came in, but the last lap I did like a legit downshift right there at the entrance.
Nice. Awesome.
And everything was clean.
Finish this up.
How'd I do?
right.
I'm thinking these are pretty slow laps.
It was a little slower.
And my last one was what, 153?
You're 152.
I'm thinking these are like 55, 56.
This one was actually, if I'm reading this correctly, 203.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
pretty slow. Yeah.
Slow
But-
as hell.
But you were.
Yeah, you learned some things.
I wasn't even trying to go fast on those ones.
Yeah, it looked way better. It did, because you were like upshifting and shit. It like looked better.
All right. So I lost 22 seconds off my lap time, and
I lost. How much did I lose? 12 seconds.
12 seconds. So according to our bet at the beginning of the day, I won, which is great because I definitely lost last time.
How many seconds do you get off for crashing the car into the dirt?
That's like a mulligan. It's like 5 seconds.
It's conveniently 9. I just win by 1.
Nearly 9 seconds added back. Gotta work on my downshifting.
I need new tires.
Sam wants to do tires, and we both need to work on how to exit turn 9.
Yeah.
Nothing happened. It's just, we gotta work
Nothing
on it.
happened at all.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, check out the store. We got the RX7 shirts in there. Thanks for watching. Please please subscribe. Shout out to Tony for filming. We'll see you guys on the next one. Woo!
And cut.
Oh.